Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Apprentice 101. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of MidJourney, a revolutionary tool for creating stunning AI-generated images. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or just someone curious about AI technology, this beginner's guide is just for you. First things first, what is MidJourney? MidJourney is an AI-powered tool that can generate images from text prompts. This means you can describe anything you want to see, and MidJourney will create a unique image for you. It's like having a personal artist at your fingertips. To get started with MidJourney, you'll need access to Discord. If you don't have a Discord account yet, head over to discord.com and sign up. It's free and super easy. Once you're set up, join the MidJourney server. You can find the invite link on their official website. After you join, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the community guidelines. It's important to respect the rules and keep the environment friendly. Now, let's start creating. To generate an image, you'll use a specific command in the chat. Type /imagine followed by your prompt. For example, you could type /imagine a serene landscape with mountains and a sunset. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. Once you send the command, MidJourney will take a moment to process your request and then return 4 unique images based on your description. If you like one of them, you can upscale it or create variations. Just click the corresponding buttons that appear beneath the images. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts. You can combine styles, moods, and specific elements to see what amazing creations you can come up with. Lastly, always keep an eye on the MidJourney community for inspiration and tips. Sharing your creations and getting feedback can be incredibly helpful as you learn. And that's it for our beginner's guide to getting started with MidJourney. I hope you're excited to try it out. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome content.